Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X7 Pro and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to open them, then let's go to the About Phone, which is at the top of the list, scroll down and enter detailed info and specs. And here we've got the model. Unfortunately, we cannot tap on it, so we have to open another section. So let's tap on the status, and here we've got the model which we can open. We've got this arrow here, so let's tap on it, and as you can see, the serial number is right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.